show you what we got here. It's from a company called, you know, they had like some bad reviews, but then everyone else said like they're all machined aluminum, and some people said as long as you don't forget about the secret screw inside, you'll be fine. So this is, I got this on Amazon. It's FENRIR, F-E-N-R-I-R, and I like it. We were brawn for freedom. I think they meant to say born, but yeah, that's how you know it's, you know, pure Chinesium. But these things look pretty cool. Like, I don't know if you can see this. They're like kind of like a bluish. They're anti-glare, anti-fog. They're just a little bit smaller, right? But all we have to do is take off these ends, and then I'm gonna, you know, some people put them down. I think I'm gonna put them up, because I actually kind of want to be able to see on. I don't want to be looking down, you know, and then I think I'd rather have them up, and it doesn't look that bad here. It's better than this. I'm calling them cockroach antennas, because that's what they look like to me. So we've got, let's put this down so we don't scratch the shaker. So they gave us some like extra bolts. They gave us 2 wrenches. I mean, okay, whatever. So there's, looks like there's a, are they both the same size? Or this one looks bigger. It is, it's bigger. So there must be, I don't know why they gave us 2. We'll figure that out. But, so the first thing to do is, I'm not gonna take these off yet. I'm gonna make sure that I can get these off, because, you know, if they're like some of the other hardware on here, I wasn't too thrilled by that. So let's, see, that's what I'm saying. I can already feel like that sucks. We could, maybe we could try to Google it. I know there's some people out there that don't like to Google stuff, but let's see. So it's not just as easy as unscrewing it all. Of course, they're like apparently super stuck on here. So what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna go to menards, and I'm gonna get myself a number 3 bit for my impact drill, and I'm gonna get a pair of vice grips. For some reason, I don't seem to have a big pair of vice grips. Kind of weird, man. This bag is not long for this world. Don't forget, get yourself a Coors Banquet. Man, these are so good. Maybe you've seen these, what's his name, Johnny from Cobra Kai. Drank a shit ton of these. They're actually really good. If you like High Life and that kind of stuff, it's a really good beer. All right, well, so, anybody want to place their bets? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Yes. They got some gravity in them. Wow. So, yeah. Don't bother messing with any other way. Just get yourself a number 3 impact and an impact driver and do it to it, man. I'm hoping this all fits together here. Now this one claimed that it does fit my bike, supposedly. All right, let's get ourselves a good 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes, man. And see, they put some kind of nasty freaking glue on there. That's what they were talking about. Look at that. There's glue all up in them. So we've got our kind of bar end weights off, right? That was pretty cool. That was money well spent. This cost like $2 and something, $3. So get yourself over to Menards. Master Force 2-inch. I said give me a short one. You don't want some long, you don't want to be that thing hanging out this friggin' far. So yeah, it's part number 2520488. Master Force. Get it at Menards now. Oh, did I ever tell you guys I used to work at Menards? Yeah. Anyways, that's true. I also worked at Ace Hardware when I was a teenager, and that was pretty cool. You know, they were saying I might be able to just screw this right in. Take out this guy, right? And let us see. That'd be crazy, right? Oh, it threads in there. Oh yeah, that's gonna friggin' work. One thing we definitely should do is Loctite. You know, you don't want these vibrating loose, so I have some Loctite somewhere, but we're gonna put them on, and then I got blank off plugs for where these mirrors go. So let's so the thing is that with these is that I think this is the hidden screw they were talking about. There's only 2 screws in this thing. This one adjusts the up and down, right? And this one adjusts this way. But they're saying, like, most people I guess didn't know, and they didn't. I mean, it's not that hard. When you pull this off, you can see the screw in there. So anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this through, right? And I told you I'm sticking mine up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it through here. I already pre-tightened those. We may have to come in here and loosen them. I'm not exactly sure, but oh hell yeah! Oh, I can't feel my fingers, everybody. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of wing it. These things can move a little bit. See, they can. And if I want to rotate this, see, we may have to tighten that up, but that looks pretty cool. Let's put the other one on. Don't scratch the Challenger, you asshole. I wouldn't be using any type of heat gun, everybody. I'd use the impact driver. So you can see, look at this, we got 4 mirrors. Not for long. So this one, obviously, you know, you got the spacer in here, and you'd be like, oh, it should just sit up flush. No, because hey, it's the throttle. Yeah, so but I'm definitely gonna have to put some Loctite on here. I can, you know, feel it. You know, gotta let it set up, and I just want to make sure that we get it all in the right position. You know, you can kind of, you know, look down here, and like I said, you know, we can move this way and we can move this way. I did tighten up that screw already, but these are meant to pivot a little bit, right? So let's try and get these off. Now remember, one of these are left-hand thread, and then out of here, like thusly, and then this one, I can't remember, is this one left-hand thread or right-hand thread? I think this one is right-hand thread. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this should work. Yeah, it's funny. Look, they even give you a little cloth to stick in there so you don't jack up the threads. Oh yeah. All right. So. Okay, that one's now loose, and then we'll. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, if you look here, right here, and right here, it got damaged in shipping apparently. So Honda's actually ordered me a new. They ordered me a new, what you call it, so a new mirror. They're like, oh, we're so sorry. And I was thinking, I don't give a shit, because eventually I'm just going to change it, you know? And that's what I'm doing, right? Let's try the other right hand one. I don't think these are any bigger. I think they're exactly the same. It's just one's one thread and one's another, right? Oh, look at that. both the right hands fit on here? Probably because they're not opposite threads. They use the spacer, so they're both righty-tighties. Wow. All right. Well, there you go. Good thing they gave us two. So if you're in the mirror universe, I have a set of left-hand threads for the GROM. Let me know. Was I the only one that thought that that was the stupidest story arc on the Flash? I don't know if you guys watch a Flash, but that was like the dumbest thing. The whole mirror universe. I couldn't wait till that was over with. That lady was a half-assed villain. She wasn't really that good. I don't know. They had other guys that were definitely more tough than she was. Yeah, let me know if you guys want the left-hand ones. I don't know why you would, but if you find out that you can use them, you let me know. I'll send them right off to you. I don't care. How cool does that look? It looks so much better without those stupid antennae. I'm gonna look from the front. Oh yeah, those look pretty cool. Let's get on it and let's see what's up. Oh yeah, it's nice that I can actually see what's going on without having to look too hard. Let's test it out. Let's take a look. And on a GROM, I don't really think you're gonna have to worry about going. Somebody was saying, oh, the wind pushes them. Well, guess what? At 70 miles an hour, this thing ain't going fucking 70. So, all right, I'm not wearing any of my gear. This is horrible. You know, I actually feel really naked now. I rode to Menards without my helmet on, and it kind of freaked me out. I got way more mobility. You can really look around, but it's just not as safe. All right, so let's. I definitely like the blueness of them. That's kind of neat. It's GoPro style on my head. All right, pretty sweet. So, all right, everybody. Well. This could probably, could be its own video in of itself, but like I said, maybe we're just gonna do the mirrors. Maybe that's what I'll do, is we'll do the mirrors. It took a minute to get this off, and then the next thing we'll do is the fender eliminator kit. I'll try to keep this video short, you know, just show you the most important stuff. So let's take a few snaps on with the camera. We'll do that for the Insta fans, right? Yeah. All right. Bar end. So we'll turn it this way so you can see the LEDs and the bar. That looks pretty cool. All right, everybody. Easy. Oh, check out this Kershaw. It's a really nice little Kershaw. It's got this spring assist. Look at that thing. It's like it's great. There you go. Let's dull the blade. Cut into some paper. Oh my God. So I have an appointment August 4th with at Good Samaritan Hospital, and I'm gonna get the electromyography test done. That's, for anybody that doesn't know, it's EMG. Basically, they take these long needles. See where this is already going? You take these long needles and they stick you over and over and over. These needles are like wires, and they send electrical currents and signals down. They start at the up by your shoulder and they shoot them down the signals go down, and anywhere, so think of it like electrical wires, really. Anywhere where there's a pinch, it'll have a hard time, the signal will have a hard time getting back. So it should go down and like ring back. And it takes a certain amount of time to get there and back, right? Well, if you've got if you're compressing a nerve, if you've got some issues, what it'll do is it'll hit here and either block it or kind of trap some of it, and it'll take a long time to get back. It'll take longer than it's supposed to. And that's how they determine how fucked up you are. So, yeah, I had some x-rays done, and this finger, you can see, this finger got broken a long time ago. And they're like, oh yeah, you've got some osteoarthritis. I'm like, well, okay, in my whole hand, or no, just in that finger. I'm like, I don't give a shit, because I already knew that. I mean, it's been fucked up for a long time. So anyway, so yeah, it's like death by 1,000 needles. They keep stabbing you over and over and over with these things, and they got to do it on both sides. And you know, before I had just my wrists checked, but I don't know if, the doctor already told me that I could have multiple impingements, which is, you know, could be in my neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, you know. So we definitely know the wrist is screwed up, right? So, but it could be other things too. So that's, you know, we got to tackle one thing at a time though. So the wrists are a good start, right? So yeah, probably more than you guys ever wanted to know, but you know, when you get old, it sucks. When you get old, you know, things start to happen to you.